To get to this latch here, if it's broken, I'm going to show you how to take this thing apart. So disassemble the front part of the bow here a little bit. Remove this pin here, and I use something sharp like a little arrowhead or something. Just there's a little area there that you're gonna just pry it off with. Okay, right here, set that aside. Let's pull this up. This whole bar comes out. Okay, next we're gonna separate the back half of the bow from the front by taking this out. It's a 4mm. There's a nut holding it. And there's also sleeve in here that I've been tapping out with a little punch, and I've just put this under here to give it something to push against and set it on the very edge of the inside of there. Just lightly tap it through. Here's the little sleeve, and it goes with this hardware. Keep that together. Okay, now this should come apart. Save these little washers. They go on the side here and here. Now we're going to start disassembling this. It's in 2 halves. So you may need 2 4mm Allen keys here. Put one on this side. Separates the stock. Now we have this screw and this screw. Start with the bottom one here. Now this screw here is a 2.5mm. Set this aside. Okay, now this is going to come apart in 2 halves here. All right. So, be careful not to lose this spring. So take that out first. Set that aside, and then this piece slides up and out. You can put your new one in and just do everything backwards to put it back together.